Alright guys, this is my favorite pose. This is my top 3. It is child's pose. So, you know, go like this. And you do some deep breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Alright. For my second favorite yoga pose is leg up the wall pose. Now I'll show you how to do that. Get your bum as close to the wall as possible. And then put your legs up. And you just lay it like this for a couple minutes and don't forget to breathe. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. I like to do this pose before I go to bed sometimes. It really helps. Alright. On to the next pose. Alright. So my third and final pose is Warrior 2. You're going to have your right leg out, have your right arm out, and your left leg back, and stretch it out. Now if you want, you can have some fun with this and do muscle. And then you're just going to keep that for a couple seconds, a few minutes. And you're going to breathe in, and you're going to breathe out. Then you're going to switch to the other side, so your left leg out, your right leg back, and this. You're going to breathe in, and you're going to breathe out. You breathe in, and you breathe out. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now that is my top 3 yoga poses. Now you can do child's pose throughout the day if you need to. And I like to do leg up the wall pose before going to bed sometimes. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye for now.